Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. It's happening. Court to hear case seeking to commit INEC chairman Mahmood to prison at the end of September. So this is what is happening. INEC disappointed Nigerians. Yes, they did. They disappointed Nigerians big time. Now, the election, INEC chairman was in Chetham's house in the UK, and he told them that the election result will be electronically transmitted, and that each result will be put on based state by state. There are 176,000 polling units in Nigeria. He said each election result will be put based by polling unit. It will be uploaded, and everybody will be able to see and we'll be able to read this result and be able to truly ascertain what these results are all about. And Nigerians will be able to put the figures together and understand and know exactly what is going on and be able to ascertain who won the election and what have you. But guess what? That was just a statement. It never happened. Even in court, they began to tell Nigerians that INEC can decide any mood. That's not true. Our election, our the what's it called, the act that governs that who said that INEC should stipulate before the election how he wishes to transmit the results. That was what was said, and INEC decided and said it will be electronically transmitted. Nobody compared them. They were not under duress, and they gave that mode. And days, okay, after the election, INEC chairman could not ascertain the results. So INEC has been taken to court over all these matters. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Court to hear case seeking to commit INEC chairman Mahmood to prison at the end of September. At the end of September has been fixed by Federal Capital Territory High Court, sitting in Baruri for hearing of a motion against the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. The motion seeks to commit Yakub to prison over alleged disobedience to a court order. The presiding judge, Mohammed Madgu, fixed the date following a commitment and a charge which has emanated from a suit marked number is there, by Michael Ajaru, counsel of the plaintiffs. The plaintiffs are Otoba and Mustafa Rabiu and others who have said the results of the 2023 elections have not followed through. INEC has not followed their own guideline. Labour Party Peter Obi, PDP Democratic Party Alhaji Atiku Abubakar is against the All Progressive Congress, the All Progressive Grand Alliance, are all seeking to understand the interpretation of the judgment that have been given by INEC declaring some winners where the results have not followed due process. The application has come, and Yakub Mahmood is to come defend himself on some of these things he stated and how everything has gone. INEC was alleged to have continued to recognize some areas where results were not collated and did not follow the stipulated way in which they said they will be disseminating information with regards to results being uploaded. Nigerians are wondering what next all this is all about. INEC chairman Professor Yakub, has been asked to tell Nigerians what exactly is going on with all of this currently happening. So this is what is going on. INEC chairman has been taken to court, and the aim is to see to it that at the end of the day, he's charged and is sent to court. Not just sent to court, not just charged and sent to court, but he meets up and he tells Nigerians what exactly has gone on. So these and many more are some of the issues that have come up, and INEC chairman needs to tell Nigerians, what happened. So he's been taken to court, and we will hear more of this case. At the end of September, he's supposed to appear in court and explain himself. Meanwhile, I don't personally, I don't see anything coming out of it, because the Presidential Election Petition Court, which Obi and Atiku were part of, that took Tinubu to court with respect to, how everything went. One of the things that Peter Obi held dear was what happened, and why is it that, the INEC did not follow their due process. Nobody listens to it. In case you are not aware, nobody listens to it. In fact, they said INEC can use any mode. So can decide to use any mode, of election transmission of results. So it does not matter if INEC, transmitted it. They said they will do this and they did not. That it does not matter. They said it does not matter. That's what they said. That it does not matter. So exactly who are we deceiving in all of this? Who are we deceiving in all of this? So people taking INEC to court, hoping that very soon INEC will, INEC chairman will be arrested. I personally don't see him being arrested. Tinubu will allow him to be arrested? You think so? No. If it's some other countries with all the controversies surrounding the INEC chairman, by now, INEC chairman should have, first of all, stepped down. He should be on suspension to start with. INEC chairman should be on suspension. And once that's, an investigation, another body that has nothing to do with INEC should be investigating the whole process, the whole matter. After thorough investigation, they should be able to understand, after thorough investigation, INEC will now, they will now decide what happens to Yakub Mahmood. Will he continue to be INEC chairman, or will he go? These are things that must be considered. You can't just wake up one morning and then tell everybody, okay, and tell everybody that the guy is still, with all the controversies surrounding him. It doesn't work. So that's why I said those who are seeking that INEC chairman be arrested and be committed to prison is a noble cause. But unless something changes in the Nigeria that we are in, I don't really see it happen. Unless something changes. So this is me just, looking at things squarely. And we hope that things really turn out well. Unless something changes drastically, I personally don't see this happening. I don't see it happening like anytime soon. I personally don't see it happening. So it is a matter of urgent attention that everybody should pay attention to and understand it. Yes? So it is what it is. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Bye for now.